Alright, boys and girls, we're going to make some acoustic sound panels. These are 1x4s, 48-inch long. These middle sections are 22.5 to give us a total of 48 by 24 inches wide. So we're just going to pre-drill, screw these together, go from there. All right, we've got some fiberglass screen wire. A staple gun. This is the fabric we're going to use from Hobby Lobby. It's relatively thin. It should cover well. So here's the process. That's it. We're back in the studio, and I wanted to show you the acoustic panels once they are installed. You can use any method you want to hang these. You can use a picture hanger, you can mount them in any way. I just decided to use picture style hanging wire to put them up. But in essence, this is what they look like. So you can see that I've just put them 3 along this wall, 1 along this wall. That looks a little crooked, but you can adjust them, thankfully. The idea is just that this is going to help absorb sound. I think it already has helped a little bit, honestly. It seems like there's less reverb for sure. And so that is just going to be directly across from the studio area, the actual interview area, and just along the wall to absorb. So what do we have left? Well, I've got a couple of sound absorption blankets that are coming, and we're going to take a look at those. They should be here tomorrow. I've got a softbox coming today as well for the light that I have. The microphone and everything is in, so I will do a video on that soon. We're ready to set up some test scenario, run a test interview, and see how it goes. But overall, I'm feeling a lot better about this setup right now. We got just a few other items on that second shelf done, and yeah, we're making some progress. So thanks for following along with this project. You can make your own acoustic panels without a problem. You just gotta put in some work, get some fabric, cover it, some of that sound deadening insulation. Make a big difference if you can get some of those put up. So thanks for watching. See you again soon.